I made over $140,000 in a flash, and it was like finding a cheat code for life. If you're ready to learn how to stack this kind of cash, stick with me because I'm about to show you the whole process. I just launched this coin, and in minutes it surged more than 400%. If you're into trading, you might rely on indicators, charts, or strategies, but here's the thing, you don't need any of that. With my approach, you just create a coin, let it grow, and then cash in. It's seriously that easy, guys. Money in the bank. I've been deep in the Memecoin world for a long time, and here's the truth. If you're aiming for big profits, you should be making your own coins. I've uncovered the top method, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I was over the randomness of trading and the constant fear of losing money on sketchy coins. So, I started exploring other options, and let me tell you, I found something amazing. This method ensures profits 90% of the time, and it's lightning fast. One thing I've definitely figured out is why I prefer making coins over buying them. Platforms like Pump Fun allow anyone to create their own coin in just a few minutes, and it's super affordable. Right now, new coins are being launched every few seconds, but here's the catch. If you're using Pump Fun to launch a meme coin, you're already at a disadvantage. Because it's so easy and cheap to do, people won't take your coin seriously unless you've got something truly unique to bring to the game. The issue with Pump Fun is how insanely easy it is to use, which results in hundreds of new tokens being created every minute. Projects that are more serious and higher quality usually go for other dexes instead. Since Pump Fun is so beginner-friendly, it's packed with low-quality, low-effort tokens. On the other hand, Radium, another dex, tends to attract projects that actually gain momentum. Over there, you'll find market caps of $100,000 and more, while on Pump Fun, most tokens can't even break $6,000. The deal with platforms like Radium is that they're not for everyone because you either need to know how to code or pay someone who does. That's why the projects there tend to be more legit and grow bigger. People actually put in the work. For average folks like us, it's a steep climb since it's all about tech skills and smart contracts. And if you check the numbers, Radium tokens often end up with way higher market caps compared to Pump Fun. So here's the deal. I found this tool, launchtool.io, and it's crazy how fast you can create a meme coin on Radium. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get your coin out there as soon as possible. This is some seriously advanced tech. Radium got a great rep because it's backed by actual devs, but the best part? Launching your own coin is super simple now. Who knows how long this will stay off people's radars, but right now, it's performing like crazy. First, let's start with the logo creation. It has to be 128 by 128 pixels. Whenever I plan to launch a meme coin, I start by scoping out the latest trends. My move? I center everything around Doge, the new Department of Government Efficiency that is active at the moment. Sure, some folks can't let go of Pepe or Trump memes, but I'm more into building coins around Doge and the memes coming out of it. After I created the logo for my meme coin, let's start with the actual token creation. First, you have to connect your wallet. I use Phantom Wallet. In the next page, you are giving your token a name and a trading symbol. I'll just put DOGE for both. As for description, I'm just going to leave it blank since it's optional, but you can add something if you like. Upload your logo and click Next. Leave decimals and token supply as is. That really needs no change at all. Click Next. Creator information is optional. If you really want it, you can spend 0.1 Solana, but it's better for you to save some money and deselect it, and after that, click Skip. Same thing for social media links. If you want it, you can put it inside, but mainly buyers of your token will be coming from Radium. You don't need any social media exposure. Click Skip. This is actually a crucial step. You might be tempted to save yourself 0.3 Solana here, but these are major security checks for your coin. You need to know that potential investors can see if these authority checks are disabled, and if you actually revoke these, nobody will invest in your token if you have an option to freeze transactions, increase supply, and update stuff about your token. Leave it as is and click Launch My Token Now. After that, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction. Click Confirm, and congratulations, you have successfully launched your token on the Solana network. Here on Solskin, you can be sure that your token is created, and you can see the name of your token here and here. Let's get back to Launch Tool since the next step is adding the liquidity pool. Click on the Create Liquidity Pool. After clicking on the Create Liquidity Pool, you will be redirected to the Radium website. Now we have to select our meme token as a base token. Go back to Launch Tool and copy the token address. Paste the address and insert the same symbol and the address of the token you created. Click on Add User Token and add your meme coin. We initially created 1 billion tokens. Just put 900 million to the liquidity pool. Now just add the quote token, which is the token people will use to trade the token. Standard for this network is Solana, so let's just go with that. Click to the max and lower it a little bit to pay for the fees. Remember, you are the first buyer of your token, so there is no way you can lose money with this. For the fee tier setting, change it to 2%. When we have everything ready, the next thing is to click on Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction. After that, your coin will be available for trading and get ready for some insane profits. Now, when you added the liquidity and the token is launched, you can check it on DEX Screener. Go to dexscreener.com, load any random coin, copy your coin address from launchtool.com, and paste it in the address bar after the last /. And as it loads, you can see the chart of the coin. When your token is officially listed, you can start trading, selling, or even drain liquidity if you're testing a rug pull. Of course, this is only hypothetically speaking for educational purposes. This is not the financial advice. This is the playbook of the big guys. They jump on Radium, navigate to the portfolio tab, sync their wallet, press the minus button, and boom, the money's theirs. Guys, I have to tell you that this method is working right now, so you might want to take the advantage while it lasts. Just so you know, I'm not associated with Radium, Photon, or Launchtool, but if you'd like to learn more, I'll leave their links down there.